So today I got the Xiaomi Bluetooth headphones. They're pretty nice actually, they're not bad. I tried out the sample in the store and they were good. And then I decided to try them out. I didn't even see them online, but I just said, hey, I'll go in and I'll try them out. And it's a bit hard to open the box. Oh, that's okay. So what we have in the box, we have the headphones themselves. Oh, well. Here, see, you can see that left, and it's also here, right. You know, they seem pretty soft, and when I tried them out, even at the store. And then now, this is probably the, you know, it's a manual. So, yeah, I was expecting something else with it, but I guess that's just how it comes. Yeah, so there is no charger, no nothing with it, so I guess I'll have to get my own charger to charge it. Nothing else in it. So, yeah, that's it. Thank you.